When your blood greedy and you till your name off the cat food, look by your dot clot and look how the cat see. Cat must, you're the only one me see have a blood clot cat pan diet. All Christian come off of my life, come off of my life, because I am going to cuss out now. Say Marcia, you need to leave the people in name because you're that disgrace to the Campbell. The woman at 29 grave. You're that disgrace to the American passport and flag. You go like me make you not live nowhere. Because they say you come out here and come talk about your brother have this or your brother have that. All your blood clot have me up for me. Never did send Winter call Winter for come tell me your business. Winter top blood clot mind you. Who pay me 75 or 85? How much money you say? Because I don't know what you're talking about. But to your woman of your caliber and the big deal where you be you should have send back Winter money and sitting them go give Winter, you shameless drunk you. The woman buying food and you got the woman and you was a newsstand so the woman you sick the blood clot woman. Curly Winter say you leave a bad blood clot taste in her mouth. You're sick too much drunk you. Don't bright yourself man ya. But you have man fucking at people house, you living at the people them house and it's going at the 8th month now. Curly and me make you walk in a blood clot Times Square with suitcase. Curly your thief and wicked no. After when Angel come on live, you set up with Angel because you wanted to buy a few sheep because by them time the winter gone and leave your ass. And take time and that draw tired did a swing pan over blood. Jennifer, and you thief the $500 for buy sheet. Right by your life, me see the roach crawl out by your the big old blood clot American roach like yourself. Crawl right out of your right by your dirty blood neck, but the dirt, the grease and the grime with the pan it, you could not feel it. And the roach crawl right over you and go hole in her blood clot back seat like a passenger. The way the girl ate your blood clot, the grand pitney favor you. That's the way the girl ate you. When the man where you go, the man clot and fling you out. You call Winter bumbo clot ball. Winter play 2 nights for you at the hotel and up as a pay 3. You're homeless a foreigner, homeless a Jamaica. Winter pay for you, and that's so you take time go down on your people them not even like you, nobody like you, nobody down to God condemn you. No what all your blood clot Tina can do, I can sit down for social media and sit down and talk and the two of no comfort to no one another. And all Lady V can do, and I will not take my blood clot phone because I will tell Lady V to fuck off too. So therefore I will not take my phone when 1 week pass because I said that's all you can do, and all you can do run over to Lady V platform. I am good with Lady V, I like Lady V, but Lady V is not my mother, and all Lady V can do is come out, turn on her phone and said Kingston 13 should not do that. And yes, Lady V, I know I should not curse the blood pick me and the grandkids, but the now blood clot drunk them fuck with me. I curse them for me to feel good, and I don't care. Me never blood clot trouble you. You have me up because I say Winter stop mind you. That was not my intention. I did not tell blood clot Winter to stop mind you. I did not tell Winter to stop mind you, Curly. I did not. And a blood clot 99 is a 13 no play with me. Come out here and turn up your big belly blood clot and scrub and rub you and put in back your blood clot because you look like you don't love beard and wash your clothes. You look like a blood clot homeless. That's what me say, the way you love blood clot homeless man. You decide you name off the people and money. The people them help you, the government try to help you. You don't pay your blood clot rent the way you love homeless man. No, you feel you choose to be homeless too and you can't catch you no one another. You so there, you so start fuck a Times Square. With your workless blood clot tell about Tina can't beat no blood clot cake. The only cake them Tina can't beat now I forget them out. Cause the people them are wait for them cake over some of them all 2 years. So 3 years now, Tina collect money and the people them not get their cake. When Tina go for cake and Tina go for line, Tina don't send off nothing and no pay for nothing, and the receipt where Tina put out and that Tina send to the people them, and the people them a track them blood clot cake and can't get it. Like how you no can't find no ambition. So me don't know what kind of blood clot cake Tina can rub up. What kind of business? You're the only somebody me see breed roach. Don't in your blood clot fridge, and the live roach living in your fridge. You don't even have a blood clot glass. You're too enough and blood clot nasty. You're living at the people them house, and 2 months it take you to infest the people them house with blood clot, roach, rat and chink. And all your blood clot do. Come out now, you didn't live in there. When you go there, you say, oh, it's nice. You all drunk, you say, oh, the people in place nice. And then after 2 months, when you infest, and because the people you don't want to pay no rent, your blood clot, you're not even flying over your blood clot front. You're the only one put out your front past social media, nobody now run you down. You're sick every blood clot man by your stomach. You're your blood clot friend them ever broke. Cause you talk to the one that come in your yard, the money not tank on you have the whole of the pantry and the wheels and deals food. You favor the roach them one time they drop on them blood clot. If the pantry never blood clot help you, if your cousin then work at the pantry and the pantry never help you, go there when you pick up the adult pampers, your blood clot self where you wear. That's why you piss the people in place and make cheat. Because the same month when you did to pick up your pampers, because you did want enough, because Romeo and mama and people them never want to know you. Never want you know him. Then never want you know Romeo, and the only way was you get all that you come past social media come back. Come here look a nasty drunk. When your blood clot greedy and you till your name off the cat food, look by your dirty blood clot and look how the cat see. Cat must, you're the only one me see have a blood clot cat pan diet. You don't even blood clot know when you want piss, because the right in the blood clot van the roach and the chink they reach. All your blood clot live for your big belly. That's all your blood clot, all the ears in your life. That's why you did blood clot. That's why juicy beef patty did burn up your. Because you got Jamaica one man buy your 2 patty and cock up your blood. Yeah, name the patty and the patty drop and burn you by your blood clot breast. And me make you waste out your blood. Days are foreign. Thief the blood clot man money because you're married to the man for give him a piece of paper. That's the only man, and still the man never want to give him money. Down to the piece of thinking frowns the van, where you use the people and PP loan and buy. All you for thank God for Corona. When Corona come in many nights when you have blood clot pray, because you can't kneel down for pray now. You have to turn up. You have to turn up and hold up your big stinking dirty frowns the blood clot, and them and say thank God for Corona, you wicked blood clot you. Like how you ball out thank God for the pantry. You're the only blood clot big deal what me say. Down to the church, you condemn. Down to the church, blood clot refuse your money. Cause when you give the woman the money, they say the woman yeah get blood clot chaos. The woman can't see. Cold sweat, me say like a heat in the church. The money burn the blood clot woman, and the woman have to run care about the money come here. All the money went to the woman, the money in the woman, and like at party forget about the blood clot money. But when your members say you're hungry no blood clot, I love name, you take the money. You love money, so you not give nobody no money, Curly. What you do, you walk and thief on the internet, and when somebody give $200 for give back somebody, you give the people them 50 out tight, and take the other 150 and name it. You don't even have a map and a broom in your house. The only blood clot reason make you have sheet by your bed and curtain because you sell them, because Curly you buy nothing. You buy nothing, Curly, you have nothing to put into the blood clot shelter. More than the furniture them when you thief. Only the furniture them where your blood clot teeth you can put in the storage. None of the furniture them where you put in the storage, you not buy the car. All you do are rent people things and run away with it. You nasty, stinking, dirty blood clot. You don't, this is your lifestyle coming like your blood clot, yeah, them. Nobody know if you look up, down, east, west, north, or blood clot, south. And I see where your lifestyle here. A big old senior blood clot citizen like you. When the people pay you, what business you do then, dog? When the people pay you, dirty blood clot. For the, you name off the money. I went to you look, you said, no, sir, I give them. Look how much people you figure shit. What kind of blood clot business you do? The only blood clot business you do is an insect business. Because that's why you stay with the insect them. That's the only blood clot business what you do. The insect business. No other business. We take up our money and pay for your trip for your dark figure. You never happy about how much day you are. Winter, remember say pussy hole when you sit down out the door. Winter going at the store, go call me now. Cause you see the woman going at him Louis Vuitton store. And you know blood clot Louis Vuitton behavior. You don't even have blood clot rare behavior. A Riverton don't behavior you have. And you want the woman like so you think so the woman never carry you. Every time the woman go buy nothing, you make up your all ugly blood clot face. You come make up your all tough blood clot face until you see the woman spend her money. Your blood clot go keep big gala. You don't have no ambition. You get your partner money and no blood clot partner your money you get. And the money them a winter the people and give you dirty blood clot. You take it. Boy, cause you bad mind blood clot people. You bad mind Miss Princess Fingala. And you care everything you see people with your word. You can't hear nobody everywhere the woman a go. When you have blood clot winter, when winter they tell you about you got England no more time. Like you blood clot tell them if you want to you go over there you leave a bad taste that your brother mouth. And you take the money and put the gala you still could provide. You could pay for the chef. You could do not the cause there's a blood clot struggler like me we feel like so you what here's a blood clot big deal. Uno move on a stinking dirty blood clot and don't play with me out here, you know. Don't blood clot even try think about it because I say I am not nice. Cause I don't care again. Feel free to run over Lady V platform for go see comfort. Cause I will live up on no blood clot out here with words and don't care.